In order to install the REMUS catback system, remove the original system using appropriate tools and support equipment. Remove the support brace. Undo the rubber hangers at the front of the exhaust. And unscrew the standard brackets of the rear muffler. Loosen the clamp connection to the front muffler and remove the entire system. Now remove the standard rear diffuser and replace it with the REMUS diffuser. It is important to use the supplied spacers. The next step is to mount the REMUS front muffler onto the original tube. Install the rubber hanger and slightly tighten the clamp connection. Now, mount the connection tube like you did with the front muffler. Remove the rubber hanger with the standard brackets from the original rear muffler. And mount them onto the REMUS sport exhaust. Install the sport exhaust onto the connection tube. Bolt the brackets onto the chassis. And slightly tighten the clamp. Adjust and align the REMUS system and remount the cross brace. Slide the REMUS tips on, align them and tighten all clamp connections using a torque wrench. Start the engine to conduct a detailed functional check of all components. Once the system has reached operating temperature, check clearance once again. Now enjoy sound, design, power from REMUS.